For your team, what is it you'd like to share with me today? We are grateful for this connection and thrilled to deepen this relationship as the vessel better walks into the understanding of its capabilities. We will continue to be here to guide and to lift anything that is no longer needed. Metatron is here to assist in lifting and transmuting that of which is no longer necessary. We will continue to provide actionable visualizations to help assist in the opportunities of one's expansion into knowing. The vessel received visuals, a light coming down. So we share this with the vessel. So when he looks upon this in future moments, we are able to confer what the vessel is experiencing. What is it I should know today? We're always with you. You've been experiencing very much the aspect of overwhelm, and we ask you to release that. This is creation of one's mind, something that is no longer serving. It's an aspect of which you can release and let go. Understand that you are always doing your best, and nothing is wrong with taking time for oneself in the ways of which you wish to spend your time. And it is okay to work on being in balance, and that is what you are feeling. It is okay to step to the side and say, I am doing the best that I can, and this is what I have available, and it is okay to do what you desire. But stepping into balance is what you are feeling, because now you are overcompensating on the aspects of play, but really it is not play, it is neglecting one's responsibilities. So step into balance. You know what you need to do, and the opportunity of which you step into that gives you time to have balance, play, work, and accomplish that of which you desire. How may I assist Jamie so that way she is not feeling overwhelmed? You know that this is a creation of one's experience, and she feels just as you feel that what you are doing and what she is doing is serving. Otherwise, it would not continue to happen. So listen, be of service in regards to providing unconditional love, and then seek understanding and see if you can pull out what is maybe unconscious to the individual and then release it to source. Ask if that is just something that is still desired, and if not, simply state that I support you in your decisions with love. You're always present. Allow yourself to take the time to be in balance, and you will find many of the things that are plaguing you currently will be lifted and removed. All upon us. As much as you enjoy being there for others, we enjoy it as one. All upon us for assisting and mighty. Up into that understanding. Watch your world transform. Thank you.